Hey guys, it's Keen Daly here, and today we're at another railway station, and today we're at Dundalk train station in County Louth. Okay, so today, the day we're... See, the station's got 3 platforms, and I'll take you down to the station now, because today we're going to catch the Belfast train named the Enterprise. So I'll show you the routes. So you get this way, and here, you'll never see the man again. You catch your eye, look guiltily away, and your gaze fixed longer than you meant it to. So this station has 3 platforms. Platform 1 is this one, platform 2 is this one. Sorry, just to pull my pants up. And platform 3 is right here. And over here, we have an 071 class locomotive, number 072. So we're at platform 3, and in platform 3 right here is 071 class locomotive number 072, in the livery that was used since 2007. Sometimes you see an 071 class locomotive in this platform, but it's staying here. It's been staying here for a good few days, I think. Here, you have the cabin there. Jesus, it's really fucking cold here. So we have trains to Belfast in platform 2. Just so fucking cold. So we're at Dundalk for today. I'll just record a face camera myself. And here is the sign. Dundalk. And the Irish is Dundalgan. Oh my... Jesus Christ. Fucking cold. Jesus. Now, this is only my 3rd visit to the station. My first one was 2 years ago, in this same month. And I was here 5 months ago. Over there, in the distance. Don't look at... Oh, sorry. He's down. Oh my fucking Lord. Oh my Lord. It is quite damp. Got an ice cream here with me, and over there we have a 29,000 class rail car in the old commuter livery. Signals changed to green, which means you should see the Enterprise train come in. So I'll be recording it from here. My first visit here 2 years ago, I caught this Enterprise as well, but it was in a different livery. And I'll actually show you what happened a couple of months ago. You'll see a change. Pants up again. just need to stop my pants from falling down. Here we go. Oh! No, that's just a car. $14.54 is the time this train comes in at, so it should be coming in any second. Okay. So that'll be it until the Enterprise comes.